is our day 4 of Learn English with me. So today we are going to discuss how to think in English without translating into Hindi. So I'm going to tell you 3 methods which will help you speak English directly. So the first method is name and color method. Whatever is in your surrounding, whatever you can see, tell the name along with the color will help you speak in English directly. For an example, I'm wearing this t-shirt which is in baby pink color with white strip, right? I'm wearing this silver chain which is in silver color. Very simple. If you can see in my background, there's a sky. A sky is in the blue color. Whatever the scenery is in your surrounding, just look at it and tell the name, tell the color. Likewise, what will happen? First of all, your vocabulary, your word stock will boost and increase altogether. Second thing is that you are now directly speaking everything in English. That means you are making this muscle memory to speak in English directly. The second method is word and sentence stealing method. For example, we watch many YouTube videos, we read many books, we listen many podcasts, right? We speak many words. So the words which we love, we feel like that is something which hit my heart and like my mind very amazingly. So I'm going to just grab that super amazing word and sentence and I will use it in my conversation in order to express my thoughts and my point of view. So for that, what we simply do, we try to note it down, maybe in notebook, maybe in WhatsApp note, and simply we try to use it in our conversation, maybe on call, maybe in real life conversation, wherever. If you are not able to use it in an online application, in real life conversation, simply when you are sitting alone, you can have this self-talk and you can easily use those learned words and will help you speak this language fluently. Our third point is directly using these words and sentences intentionally. So what we have to do now, when I'm having this self-talk with myself, I will try to use those words and sentences. For example, I learned the word meticulous. A person who focuses on small things, they are called meticulous. A person who thinks very practically, they are called pragmatic. A person who loves to do everything, they are called versatile personality. I learned the sentence, you have heard me saying this so many times. How long have we been practicing this language? It's been long time we didn't talk to each other. So these are the sentences and these are the words which I learned today. Now, how will I use it and where will I use it? So when I'm in a real conversation, I will try to intentionally make a situation where I can use these words. For example, guys, do you know one thing? I'm a person who focuses on small details. I'm the person who focuses on details. That means I'm a kind of meticulous person, right? My mama says my younger child, he can do every possible things. That means I'm a versatile personality. Sometimes when I'm thinking and I'm alone, I'm very practical while thinking and logical. That means I'm a kind of pragmatic person. You have heard me saying this so many times. How long have you been practicing this language? So likewise, you can see that I'm able to use those words and sentences. And in a similar way, you have to also learn it. And this is very easy. Until then, if you have any query, just comment below. I'm gonna encounter those problems of yours. Just chill and enjoy. I'm going to see you in the next video. See you. Take care.